Namaste, my beloved friends. There is a very important question on meditation and food. Many friends from all over the globe, out of them, few are like beginners, and some are having some experience in meditation. So they have a very important question which is related to food and meditation. They ask what a meditator should eat, and it is very relevant question because most of time, like many of my western friends, they eat non-vegetarian food. So in that case they have this kind of guilty that either they should eat this or they should stop it. So when you meditate, the main purpose of meditation is to raise your consciousness and awareness. When you start meditation, when you start meditating, then you are going deep down inside you and you are trying to meet your own being. When you try to meet your own being in that state, it is very natural that the awareness, the peace, the, you can say, your own presence, it start appearing. And when it start happening, then very, subtle things happen in your body. The food is very important part of your life, and in that state you understand the life of other animals and other creations of the existence also matters. So then in that state you come to know that you cannot eat the life of other animal and other creations. So awareness is a very important part of meditation and spirituality. In that state only you can understand and be aware about the life. In that state you cannot have non-vegetarian food or the flesh or the life of other animals. So the answer for this question is that if you are meditating, if you are being aware, then you cannot have the food which is consisting a life of animal, or it is like a vegetarian, or sorry, non-vegetarian food. Then you try to find the food which is like less pain, which is like with less grief and all that. So if you are meditating, if you are into spirituality, just try to raise your awareness, and that awareness will guide you about the food, that awareness will you guide about rest of stuff of your life. So the food thing, it will come later apart, because meditation is more about awareness, more about consciousness of your own being. Once you are enough conscious about your own being, then you can be conscious about rest of other stuff of this planet, of this life. So I hope you will try to raise your own consciousness, you will try to be in that space from where you can see everything in a wise way. Hopefully it will help you, and if you still have any question, you can go to our website, which is www.fakira.org, or you can WhatsApp to us. I hope these videos are really helpful for you. I am sending you so much love from core of my heart. Just be in this place, just enjoy. Namaste.